Now formatting a worksheet. Formatting means we can add different format to the Excel worksheet also as we do there. But formatting as we do for Word document. But formatting here we get in different way because here the document or the sheet that we get in a column and row format, in the tabular format. So we format like that only, okay? But basic text formatting will be same. The what dealing will be there with the text will be same. So we can color the text. We can color that text. First we need to select it. Then we can increase the size. Okay. We can take the writing style. We can increase the font size by 1. It is used to increase and decrease point wise. We can give color, text color. Okay, we can give color in the background that will use to fill the table. We can give border, we can make bold, italic, we can give underline to the text. So whatever, who is this? Who is this? Kindly mute your mic. Everyone mute your mic. Okay, now. So whatever deal we were able to do with the text in Word, same we can apply here because font group is same as it was appearing there. Now alignment, it has little different of alignment, but this alignment that we can use is in vertical form and in horizontal form. Suppose that I have selected it. If I give this alignment, let me decrease the size of font, then only we will understand. Okay, this is the shortest font. Okay, so our fonts vertical space, vertical alignment is this. I mean, text are representing and placing at the bottom. Okay, bottom and left side. Okay, left side and at bottom. If we want to bring it in between, then we need to use the middle alignment, middle vertical alignment. Okay, you will see that your text will appear in the middle. Now with the center alignment, it will appear middle center. Okay, as you increase the size of the column, you will be easily understand. Okay, see, it is not over the bottom line. It is in between, in the middle of both the upper and the bottom line. You can see. Okay, now if we take this one, the text will appear at the top part. See, it is reached at the top line. Okay, so like this, we can give vertical alignment to the text. See, जैसे हम हिंदी में लिखते हैं ना, ऊपर में लिखते हैं, लाइन के नीचे लिखते हैं, लाइन के ऊपर नहीं लिखते, लाइन के नीचे लिखते हैं जस्ट. ओके, ऊपर में लाइन खींचते हैं. सिमिलर, इट लुक सिमिलर लाइक दैट. और जब हम इसे लेंगे तो ना ऊपर में रहेगा, ना नीचे में रहेगा, ये बीच में रहेगा, और ये वर्टिकल एट द बॉटम it will be. Now similarly we can give the alignment, horizontal alignment, that is left alignment, center alignment, and right alignment. Okay, so and this is the different alignment orientation we can give. This orientation is different in this orientation that will look orientation to write in different format. Okay, see, text will be written vertically. Okay, so like this we can give different orientation. Rotate text down, rotate text up, rotate text down and format cell alignment. When you click on this, we will get format cell dialog box. This format cell dialog box, this orientation option help to rotate the text angle wise. Okay, minus 60 degree, plus 39 degree, we can give any. By default, we get at the 9, this 0 degree. Okay, and we can increase it or we can decrease it. Let's increase it by 29. Okay, now as we click on OK, we will get text to be written in the same angle. Okay, there are we can place it in different direction as we like. Okay, and this is to increase indent and to decrease indent. Okay, indent, it's same work. It has some specific point given for a particular column, sorry, for a particular cell. According to that, it shift forward and it shift backward. Okay, as the alignment was working there, it's same work here. Now text wrapping. What is text wrapping? Text wrapping means, suppose that I have written a big letter here. Okay, that is reaching out from the line and it is hiding here. Text wrapping will adjust the text in a single cell. See, okay, it has adjust the cell in a single cell. Half is come under the in the same cell under the previous cell. Text wrapping. So here text wrapping will not work. It is not showing because it has little text or some number of alphabets, letters are here. If we sometime we write name of the student, na, or mark score in different subject, so the text reach out from the boundary of the of the cell. So to adjust them, we need to use text wrapping. Text wrapping used to adjust the cell in the next line of the same cell. Okay. Now merge and center. Merge and center option help to convert the number of cell into a single cell. You can see there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 cell are there, but it should appear in the middle. And now for that we need to merge it. We will select it. We will select it. We will give merge and center option so that this cell is converted into a single cell. This is single cell. Okay, and it has the text that appear in the middle and at the center. Okay, understand? So if you want to convert the number of cell into a single cell, then you need to use merge and center option. Okay, so font dialog box in the book, I think every point is clear. Now here, font dialog box you can use when you click on launcher of font. So you will get font dialog box here. From here, you can set the font tab is there. You can set all the alignment. You can set superscript, subscript here. You can see two options are there, as these options are available in Word. So this you can use. Okay. Underline you can use. Size, style, and font you can select from here. Okay. Now top alignment, middle alignment, bottom alignment, line left, center, right alignment. This also I think is clear. I have explained already. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Change orientation also I have explained, that is given on page